G'day, I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. You're thinking to yourself, where are you, Mighty? Where have you been all the last couple of years? Well, let me tell you, I've been in pristine paradise. That's right, Palau. And let me tell you, there is so much wow right here in Palau. Stay tuned over the next couple of months. You're going to be seeing a lot more content from this amazing destination right here in the Mighty Outdoors. So if you haven't already, do like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the Mighty Outdoors real soon. Hey, you want a bit of a sneak peek? Here it comes. Get off the couch, ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the Mighty Outdoors.